Let's take a look at this Twinkl Tots activity to support your 0 to 1 year old's communication and language skills. This resource contains all the information that you need to create your very own homemade shaker for your baby. If you can, make a shaker for yourself as well as one for your baby, so you will need 2 plastic bottles and their lids. Simply fill the plastic bottles with either dried rice or dried pasta. Make sure to leave some space for the contents to move around. To make the baby shaker visually appealing, you might like to use some dyed rice or pasta. Why not introduce your baby to different sounds by changing the contents of the bottle? You could use kitchen staples such as lentils or dried beans, or why not try out some small objects like buttons? Download the resource to explore ways to play and support milestones such as I can enjoy playing with noisy toys, I can laugh when I play, I can respond enthusiastically when I hear songs, I can focus and pay attention when someone is talking to me, and I can turn my eyes or head to locate a new sound. For more activity ideas to support all areas of learning for your 0 to 1 year old, check out our Twinkl Tots course. Have fun!